Hello friends, welcome to Sanchita's Kitchen. Today we have brought an authentic recipe from Kashmir. Yes, you guessed it right, it's mutton rogan josh. Many a times we have seen that restaurants serve mutton curry in the name of mutton rogan josh. Friends, mutton rogan josh is absolutely different from mutton curry. Unlike mutton curry, it is cooked without onion, garlic, tomato or curd. So let's start the recipe. I have taken 600 grams of mutton. Here I have taken some whole spices, that is black cardamom, badi ilaichi, green cardamom, choti ilaichi, mace, javitri, cinnamon sticks, dalchini, saffron, kesar and cumin seeds, that is jeera seeds. The other set of spices are Kashmiri red chili powder, which is the main ingredient here, a pinch of hing, fennel seeds powder, that is soft powder, and ginger paste. Here I have 4 tablespoons of ghee. Here I have taken salt and sugar, which will be used according to the quantity of mutton that you have taken. First of all, we will make a powder of these 4 spices: cinnamon stick, green cardamom, mace and the cumin seeds. So now the dry spice powder is ready. So now let's start with the recipe. We will add the ghee first. When the ghee melts, first we will add the black cardamom. And now I will be adding the mutton here. We will be frying the mutton until it is roasted. And at this stage, I'll be adding the sugar over here and caramelize the mutton. Till the mutton gets caramelized, we will be making a smooth paste of the other spices that we have. First of all, I'll be taking this ginger paste. You can also use ginger powder instead of paste. And then the fennel seeds powder or the soft powder. The quantity of these spices can be reduced or increased according to the quantity of the mutton. Then the red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, and the hing powder. I'll just add 1 teaspoon of water into it and make a smooth paste. So our mutton has turned slightly brown in color. It has been caramelized slightly. So now at this stage, I'll be adding the wet masala mix which we had made, and here it goes. We will mix it well and cook for another 2 minutes. Now I will be adding a few strings of saffron into this. and a glass of hot water. After the boil, I'll be adding the salt. This is absolutely according to taste, and I will give a good mix to it. And now I will cover and cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour. After cooking it at a low flame for 45 minutes, we will open the lid now and check. You can see the rich color, the gravy it has formed, a thick gravy. At this stage, we will be adding the dry masala, the dry spices which we had prepared. We'll mix it well, and we have to cover and cook for another 30 minutes. But before that, if you want, you can add some more hot water just to form the correct consistency. So I'll be adding about half a cup of hot water here. A very rich aroma is coming, and now I'll be adding this half a cup of water to get the correct consistency, and I'll cover and cook it for another 30 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes, I will come and check the mutton whether they have turned soft. So I'll open the lid, and you can see the rich color of the mutton Rogan Josh. My kitchen is filled with a very nice aroma, and it seems that the mutton Rogan Josh is full of Josh now. The authentic mutton Rogan Josh is ready to be served with any kind of rice or bread. Friends, do try this recipe at home. If you like this recipe, do like, share and comment on our YouTube channel and Facebook page Sanchita's Kitchen. Thank you for watching this recipe.